My name is JEDROWIAC and I'm Scientia Database Administrator and I work in Information Services.
Hello, my name's CATHY BECKHAM and I worked as Lecture Capture and Media Support Officer in the e-learning team in Information Services.
My name's George Smith. I'm the Graduate Library Assistant at Information Services. Plenty of new skills. When I started my job as a library assistant, I thought it'd be mainly books, but I've been designing plans for refurbishment, and that's an invaluable skill to have.
Just being in the office itself, right? It's like big important skill. Like, you get used to that. You get used to the atmosphere and how you get around. You find your own way, and that's the skill in itself, I would say.
I've learnt new programs, Adobe Premiere, Camtasia and Panopto, so that's been great, and also I've had an opportunity to brush up on my Welsh.